In this tutorial, we are building a journey where a new event via Google Calendar will create a new task in Google Tasks. So let's start. Select Google Calendar as trigger. Then choose New Event as trigger event. Select the existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select the calendar. Now, in steps, we have to create a new task on Google Tasks. For that, select Google Task. Then add Create Task as action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select Task List. Add Task Title from App Data Tree. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. Go to Google Calendar. Add a new event. Add a description. Next, go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now go to Gmail, then to Google Task. We see a new event in Google Task is added with the description we have provided. In this way, we can create an automation journey to add Google Tasks for new Google Calendar events. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.